Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to try on this braided wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is the wig and it's color 30 and black, and then it doesn't have a closure. So I have different types, guys. I have the one that has a closure and the one without a closure. I've actually shared with you some videos of my closure wig, and then it has an adjustable strap at the back and a band as well, just to make it more secure. I actually wear most of my braided wigs without combs, and they're very secure. I'm applying olive oil. So guys, I've actually introduced this style to you before, and the color as well. I have it in different colors, and I think color 900 and black, white and black, plain black, and now this one. This specific color, client of mine is the one who suggested the color for me. She loved the black and white and 900 and black. That's why she wanted hers in this color 30 and black. And then also, guys, I have a tutorial on how to make the bob wig. I'll just leave a link in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. Check the description box down below. So this is color black and white, and this is 900 and black, and then this is color plain 30, and this is plain black, and now this is 30 and black. So guys, again, if you just want to know how to make the bob wig, kindly check the description box down below for a link of a tutorial where I was showing you guys how to make it. But then also, if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the description box down below, so that you can purchase from my WhatsApp or website. And then also just comment down below, guys, if you love this color, if you love this style as well. Yeah, and then also I want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for ordering my wigs. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. I really love you guys, and yeah, I just love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. So that was it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Just comment down below if you love this color and the style as well. Bye.